In this video, we are going to discuss how you can add image element in the Spectra page builder. So guys, here you can see I have created a page. Then the next step is, here you can see blue button. Just click here. And after that, the third option, image. So to add image, first of all, you can add a new container. Just drag it here. And after that, you can select the structure. For example, I want to get 2 columns and then drag the image here. So guys, here you can see we have 3 options. Upload from the media library, insert from URL. So I want to upload from the media library. And then here I can select the file from my laptop. Let me scroll down and select an image file. So guys, here you can see image is uploading. Then click on select button. And here you can see image is added. So these are some image properties. For example, you can crop the image. You can use the copy paste link option. You can link this image with any page. And then alignment options. You can use the alignment options. For example, you can align in center, left, right. And then you can use drag and drop functionality. Then on the right side, here you can see image alignment, then layout, then image size. So these are the 4 different size options. For example, you can select the thumbnail size, full size, and then custom size. Also, you can use image dimensions, width and height selection is available. Then scroll down, you can add alt text, so that is important for the SEO purpose. Then scroll down, here you can see object fit option, and on the hover image you can select these effects. For example, I want to select zoom in, so that's good. Then mask options. You can add any type of mask, for example, circle and many more. Then dynamic content, and then go the next tab, that is style tab. Here you can see border options. You can select the border in different styles, for example dotted, and then you can increase the border width. Then you can apply radius, for example 50. And then here you can see border color. Then scroll down, you can add spacing. For example, if you want to add from top, here you can see it's working fine. Then go to advanced tab. You can add some animations, zine tags and advanced.